First, face turning, and the outer diameter is turned using roughing and finishing tools. Next, axial grooving is performed in the Z direction using the grooving cycle G88. On the second side, face turning with a C plate and longitudinal turning with a D plate for 30-degree undercuts. The undercut DIN76 is part of the contour and is programmed with G85. Finishing. Then 2 radial grooves with G86 in 2 passes to the final depth. The outer chamfers of the grooves are programmed using a 90-degree turning plate in a 45-degree tool holder with simple G1 commands. Threading. Next, centering for 6 cross holes is performed. Then a spiral drill is used.